Parameters heat map, new to FCS Express 7, allows you to view different statistics for each parameter across multiple data files. To insert a parameters heat map, select the Insert tab. Then, in the Other Plot section, click on Parameters heat map. Next, draw the heat map onto the layout. By default, the parameters heat map will show each parameter as a column, with the parameter label along the top of each column. Each parameter will be colored according to the statistic shown on the x-axis. On the y-axis, each overlay or file will be labeled according to its overlay name. To add additional files or overlays onto the parameters heat map, simply drag and drop the selected files from the data list onto the parameters heat map. In the drag and drop action window, select the option Add the files to the plot as new overlays, then click OK. A new set of rows will appear, one for each file added to the heat map. Parameters heat maps, like any object or plot in FCS Express, can be formatted by right-clicking on the heat map and selecting Format, or by opening a new formatting window from the Format tab. In the Parameters to Display category, which I've opened and I'll dock to the right here, we can select which parameters appear on the heat map. By default, the All items are selected. This means all parameters present in the files will be displayed on the heat map. To select specific parameters to display, use the option Only the items checked below. Then check the box next to each new parameter that you would like to view. Conversely, if you would like to exclude specific parameters, select the option for all items except those checked below. Then check off each item that you would like to exclude from the heat map. From the Overlays category, we can format each overlay individually or as a group by multiple selecting the desired overlays in the Options section. Below that, in the Parameters Heat Map Overlay options, we can change the statistic to show using the drop-down menu. In this case, I'll change from the arithmetic mean to the median. We can change the gate applied to each file by using the gate drop-down. We can also apply a radius statistic. The radius statistic changes the size of each cell in the heat map according to the selected statistic for that parameter. To enable this option, check the box Use Radius Statistic. Custom labels for each overlay can be added using the Legend text box. Simply select the desired overlay, then type in the label into the Legend text field. Repeat this for each overlay. Note that the overlay or file order can be changed from the Options menu by clicking on the up or down arrows. The orientation and labels of the parameters heat map can be changed from these specific options. Changing the orientation from landscape to portrait using the drop-down places the parameters as rows and the overlay names as the columns. To add space between the wells, check the box Display Space Between Wells. The labels to display for the overlays can be changed from the drop-down. The options are Overlay Name, Gate Name, and Overlay and Gate Name. The color level options for the heat map can be selected to color wells based on the values in each row, the values in each column, or the values in all rows and all columns. With heat maps, the color level schemes and scaling can be changed from the color levels formatting category. In the selected color level section, we can set the color level from the default green-red to green-red-yellow, or any other option in the dropdown. To learn more about parameter heat maps, visit our online manual and tutorial sections on our website at denovosoftware.com or contact us at support@denovosoftware.com if you have questions.